make your after hours a gold mine and solve money troubles while working. No fantasy. Take the plunge. Life is real. I'll show the leap isn't scary today. Back to Money Craft Masters, where we make money from hobbies. This episode delves into profitable side gigs. I have 10 golden ideas that have made ordinary people rich. Keep reading. These are life designs, not side gigs. Best part? Following viewing. Most of these tasks can be started. Create your money-making idea run. Learn Money Craft Masters. Dropshipping first. Digital users utilize this keyword. Actually, what is it? A store full of things you don't have to store, pack, or handle. Dropshipping in brief. Open an online store and work with inventory providers. They handle the remainder after sale. Just retail, no inventory or upfront investment. Finding the right niche and marketing tactics is like winning the jackpot. Before starting, discuss strategy. Key to dropshipping success. Your store needs a niche brand and marketing to attract customers. You must adapt, know your customer, and follow trends. Low risk but not risk-free. Stay away from common mistakes. Avoid oversaturated marketplaces and don't neglect customer service because you're not selling. Reputation matters. If you're ready to dropship and want to learn about store setup, supplier identification, and marketing, comment below. Money Craft Masters will support you while I get you started. Idea T. Freelancing. A flexible side gig like yoga. Freelancing could help writers, graphic designers, programmers, and other digital professions make money. Freelancing enables you earn money autonomously, select clients, set fees, and work on passion projects. Best part? The advent of remote work has increased freelance work demand. An impressive portfolio, personal branding, and client pitching skills are essential for freelancers. Use Upwork or Fiverr, but also network and word of mouth. For freelance as a firm and be your own boss. Manage your time, money, and clients wisely. You're ready to market your skills, but unclear how. Leave comments below. Money Craft Masters provides knowledge and client referrals. Be bold. A comment could be your big break. Online course. Create online courses as a side gig to teach and get money. Why not share your knowledge? Digital knowledge is powerful and profitable. Self-education requires online courses. Everything from cooking to coding, personal development to professional abilities has an audience. E-learning is booming, therefore the timing is right. Select a topic you enjoy to succeed. Make course lessons clear and actionable. Quality content and easy learning are crucial. Your course can be sold on Teachable or Udemy. Avoid underestimating the effort needed to create a fascinating course. Both content and delivery matter. Offering value and engaging your audience is crucial. There's a course concept, but no idea where to start. Leave comments and brainstorm. Money Craft Masters aims to profit from knowledge. Contribute 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, a side career that pays while you sleep, is next on Money Craft Masters. Earn a commission on referral sales by promoting trusted brands. Affiliate marketing is perfect for bloggers, YouTubers, and social media users. You share affiliate links, your audience buys, and you get paid. The secret sauce? Promote strategy and sincerity. Choose brand-appropriate, recommended products. Trust your audience and use SEO to promote your content. Warning links and waiting for money is insufficient. Good marketing and continual work are needed. It's ethical and legal to disclose affiliate relationships to your audience. Want to make money with affiliate marketing? Discuss best practices and choosing the right affiliate networks below. Money Craft Masters can guide your choices. Idea 5. Social media management. Midway down our list, social media management is a popular side gig. Not many businesses have the time or expertise to be social media savvy in the digital age. That's your job. Social media managers are brilliant at organizing content, engaging followers, and promoting brands. Creating viral content and engaging online might be your goldmine. Success requires following digital trends, knowing platforms, and measuring campaign results creatively and analytically. Provide services to local businesses or freelance websites. Remember the speedy world. Learning and adapting are your best friends because today's solutions may not work tomorrow. Align strategies with brand voice and goals. You hustle. Talk to me in the comments about making money from likes, shares, and tweets. Money Craft Masters will advise, discuss, and celebrate your wins. Blog. Blogging is sixth, a classic. The site can be monetized beyond online diaries. Successful blogs can make money via affiliate marketing and sponsored content. Share your passion and make money with blogs. Travel, gastronomy, tech, and fashion all have audiences. Content quality and consistency attracts that audience. Start with your passion's niche. Build a tidy, user-friendly website with a reliable host and write excellent content. SEO is your best friend. It promotes your blog. Do not expect overnight success. Blog marathon, not sprint. Building a following and income takes time. Patience, sincerity, and persistence matter. Ready to blog but unclear what to post or how to attract readers. Post questions in the comments. Money Craft Masters is building a creator community to help each other. Property investment. Our sixth side business is real estate investing, which has made millionaires. Even normal folks can start without a fortune. Buy and hold, flip, or invest in REITs to get passive income from real estate. Profit from one of the oldest markets. Learn about real estate. Rent for steady income or flip for quick cash. Also important is networking with investors and real estate specialists. Real estate doesn't make you rich overnight. Due diligence, market knowledge, and risk tolerance are needed. Budget cautiously because early costs are high. Is real estate your fantasy side gig? The comment section welcomes questions and insights on starting with little or no money. Money Craft Masters encourages smarter investing. Idea visions of stock trading. Stock market trading, number 8, requires calibrated risk-taking. This side gig might become a full-time passion for skilled players with significant profits. Beyond buying low and selling high, stock trading involves more. Research market trends, company performance, and make educated decisions. Trading apps make starting easier than ever. Start learning. Research and follow market news. Use a simulator to practice safely. Always plan trade entry and exit. Remember that stock investing is dangerous. Starters lose money, so never invest more than you can lose. This is calculated, not risky. Do you like the stock market's potential? Whether you're an experienced trader or a newbie seeking help, chat below. Join Money Craft Masters for portfolio and knowledge sharing. Online store. E-commerce stores are transforming retail. Therefore, our 10th advice is to open one. Online shopping is king, thus creating an internet specialization can be lucrative. E-commerce enables you sell your passion items straight to clients. Open a store on Shopify or Etsy and reach a global audience from home. E-commerce success requires specialty selection, audience understanding, and excellent customer service. Mastering online marketing and increasing store visitors are crucial. Competition is fierce and customers expect more. Maintain inventory, transportation, and customer satisfaction. Full-scale operations require dedication. Get ready to start an online business and join the e-commerce revolution. Comments about e-commerce startup questions and successes are welcome. Build our e-commerce empire at Money Craft Masters. App development. App creation is a tech-savvy side gig with enormous potential at 10. In a world many apps, making one that stands out could be successful. App development is artistic and technical. App shops will accept your unique game, productivity tool, or life-improving program idea. Learn the basics or hire a developer if you're creative. Study app usability, design, and engagement. Iterate on user feedback to differentiate your app. App creation is competitive, thus market research is essential. Making your idea materialize takes time and money. Multiple efforts and learning from mistakes are tips. Don't know where to start with your next huge app? Want to share your app launch experience? Ask the Money Craft Masters community for help in the comments. So they're Money Craft Masters, 10 side hustles that could revolutionize your financial future. From dropshipping to app development, we've covered many options. Always remember that side hustle success is personal. Grit, resourcefulness, and daring are needed, but the rewards, these can alter lives. These tips can boost your income or financial goals. I need your reply now. What side gig interests you, your next move? Post your thoughts and plans below. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to join Moneycraft Masters and get our latest things. Thanks for watching. You can improve your side gig. Join me in the next video to improve our skills and generate money. Keep developing your financial masterpiece until then.